Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Learning Voice. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hi, everyone. Thank you for listening today.
Today's topic is your favorite food and why you love it.
This is a fun topic, and it is very useful for real conversations in daily life.
In this podcast, you will learn simple English to talk about food, taste, and reasons.
You will also learn how to ask other people about their favorite food and keep the conversation going.
Emily, we will use easy words for elementary and intermediate learners.
And we will give many example sentences you can copy and use.
Great! Paul, let's start with a simple question. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I feel hungry now because we are talking about food.
Me too. Food is always a good topic.
First, what does favorite food mean?
Favorite food means the food you love the most.
The food you choose again and again.
Yes, and people love food for different reasons.
Some people love a food because it tastes great.
Some people love a food because it reminds them of home.
Reminds me of home means it makes you think of your family, your city, and your childhood.
Exactly. Some people love a food because it is easy and fast.
Some people love a food because it is healthy.
Healthy means good for your body.
Now, let's teach the most useful question.
The question is, what's your favorite food?
Another simple question is, what food do you love?
And you can also ask, what's your favorite dish?
Dish means a prepared food like pizza, pasta, soup, or kebab.
Great. Now, how do we answer?
The simplest answer is, my favorite food is.
I love.
My favorite dish is.
Perfect. Then we add the reason with because.
Because gives a reason.
Example, my favorite food is pizza because it is cheesy and delicious.
Cheesy means it has cheese.
Delicious means very tasty.
Now, we need vocabulary for taste.
Yes, taste words are very important.
Let's teach basic taste words first.
Sweet,
Salty,
spicy,
sour.
bitter.
Great. Now, let's explain them with examples.
Sweet means like sugar. Example, cake, chocolate, ice cream.
Salty means like salt. Example, chips, salted nuts, fries.
Spicy means hot in your mouth. Example, chili sauce, spicy curry.
Sour means like lemon. Example, lemon juice, some pickles.
Bitter means a strong taste, like black coffee or some dark chocolate.
Great. Now we will add a few simple words that people use a lot.
Crispy,
Soft,
creamy,
juicy.
fresh.
Let's explain them.
Crispy means it breaks and makes a light sound when you bite it, like fried chicken or crispy fries.
Soft means not hard, like bread, rice, and bananas.
Creamy means smooth and rich, like yogurt, ice cream, or creamy soup.
Juicy means it has a lot of liquid inside, like a mango or a well-cooked meat.
Fresh means new and clean, like fresh salad or fresh fruit.
Perfect. These words help you describe your favorite food clearly.
Paul, now I want to ask you, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice with chicken and vegetables.
Nice. Why do you love it?
I love it because it is filling and it tastes comforting.
Filling means it makes you feel full.
Yes, and comforting means it feels warm and safe, like home food.
Great. How often do you eat it?
I eat it about 2 or 3 times a week.
That is a lot.
Yes, because it is simple to cook and it is not too expensive.
Expensive means it costs a lot of money.
Exactly.
My favorite food is noodles with vegetables and a little chicken.
Nice. Why do you love it?
Because it is quick, it is tasty, and I can change it easily.
Change it how?
I can add mushrooms, eggs, carrots, or spicy sauce.
That is great. It is flexible.
Flexible means you can change it and it still works well.
Now, listeners, let's teach a simple pattern to talk about favorite food.
Pattern means a structure you can use again and again.
The pattern is name the food, describe the taste, describe the texture, and give the reason.
Texture means how food feels in your mouth, like soft, crispy, chewy.
Chewy means you need to chew it more, like some meat or chewy candy.
Great! Let's do a model answer.
My favorite food is fried chicken. It is crispy on the outside and juicy inside. I love it because it tastes amazing and it feels like a treat.
Treat means something special you enjoy sometimes.
Yes,
Now we will practice asking and answering in a natural way.
like real friends talking.
Exactly.
Emily, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is noodles with vegetables.
Sounds good. Is it spicy?
It can be spicy, but I usually make it mild.
Mild means not spicy.
Yes, I like a little spice, but not too much.
What do you like about it?
I like the taste and the smell. It smells so good when it cooks.
Smell is important for food.
Yes, food can make you hungry just from the smell.
True. Do you cook it at home?
Yes, I cook it at home. It takes about 15 minutes.
That is fast.
Yes, and I can eat it for lunch or dinner.
Great. Now let's talk about another important part, culture and memories.
Yes, many people love a food because of memories.
For example, your mother cooked it and you ate it as a child.
Exactly. Or you ate it on a special day.
So a useful sentence is, this food reminds me of my childhood.
Childhood means when you were a child.
Another sentence is, my family used to cook this on weekends.
Used to means it happened many times in the past.
Great.
Paul, is there a food that reminds you of home?
Yes, soup. My mother made soup when I was sick or tired.
That is comforting.
Yes, soup feels warm and soft.
And it is easy to eat.
Exactly. I love it because it makes me feel calm.
Now, let's teach words for cooking.
Cooking vocabulary is very useful.
Basic cooking verbs: cut, chop, fry, boil, bake, grill.
Cut means make pieces with a knife.
Chop means cut into smaller pieces.
Fry means cook in oil.
Boil means cook in very hot water.
Bake means cook in an oven.
Grill means cook on a grill with heat.
Great. Now learners can talk about how they make their favorite food.
For example, I can say, first I chop the vegetables, then I boil the noodles, after that I fry the chicken, finally I mix everything together.
Perfect. Mix means put together and stir.
Stir means move with a spoon so it blends.
Great. Now, many people talk about food in restaurants.
Yes, so we should teach restaurant phrases too.
Let's do that.
Phrase 1. I'd like to order.
Can I have, please?
What do you recommend?
Recommend means suggest.
What's the most popular dish?
Is it spicy?
Can you make it mild?
Do you have vegetarian options?
Vegetarian means no meat.
Great. These phrases are very practical.
Now, we also need to teach how to say what you like and what you don't like.
Yes.
I like.
I love.
I enjoy.
Enjoy means you like it and it makes you happy.
I don't like.
I'm not a fan of.
Not a fan of means you don't like it much.
Great.
Example, I love spicy food, but I'm not a fan of very sweet desserts.
Good sentence. Now, let's do a longer conversation about favorite food, like two friends learning about each other.
Great, I will start. Paul, what's your favorite food when you want comfort?
My favorite comfort food is soup with bread
Why do you love it?
because it is warm, simple, and it reminds me of home.
What kind of soup?
Chicken soup or vegetable soup. Sometimes I add noodles, too.
That sounds great. When do you usually eat it?
I eat it at night, especially in winter.
Winter is perfect for soup.
Yes, the weather is cold, so soup feels better. Paul, what's your favorite food when you are busy and you have no time?
I like eggs.
Eggs are very useful.
Yes, I can boil eggs, fry eggs, or make an omelet.
Omelet is eggs cooked together, usually with vegetables.
Exactly. It is quick, it is filling, and it is cheap.
Cheap means not expensive.
Yes, and I can eat it with bread or rice.
Now, let's talk about healthy food and unhealthy food.
Good idea.
Some people love fast food, but they also want to be healthy.
Healthy balance is important.
Balance means not too much of one thing.
Exactly. You can enjoy pizza, but not every day.
Right, and you can eat salad and fruit too.
Yes,
Let's teach simple health phrases.
I try to eat healthy.
I try to reduce sugar.
Reduce means make less.
I drink a lot of water.
I eat vegetables every day.
Great. Now, let's talk about food allergies and dietary needs.
Yes, because it is important in real life.
Allergy means your body reacts badly to some foods.
Common allergies: nuts, dairy, eggs, seafood.
Dairy means milk products like cheese and yogurt.
Great. A useful sentence is, I'm allergic to nuts.
Or, I can't eat dairy. Or, does this contain peanuts?
Contain means has inside.
Very important word. Now, let's teach how to describe your favorite food in more detail.
Yes, detail makes your story more interesting.
But we will still keep it simple. Let's give an example with a popular food, pizza.
My favorite food is pizza. I love it because it is cheesy, warm, and delicious. I like thin crust, and I enjoy mushrooms and olives on top.
Crust means the base bread part.
Olives are small, salty fruits.
Great. Another example, kebab.
I love kebab because it is smoky and flavorful. I like it with rice and salad. I also like the sauce.
Smoky means it tastes like grill smoke.
Flavorful means it has a strong, good taste.
Great. Now we will teach words for how it smells and how it looks.
Yes, because food is not only taste.
Looks, colorful, golden, fresh, beautiful.
Colorful means many colors.
Golden means a nice yellow-brown color, like fried food.
Fresh means new and clean.
Smells good, smells strong, smells sweet, smells spicy.
Great. Example, it smells so good and it looks colorful.
Nice.
Now, let's make the podcast more fun. Let's do a favorite food challenge.
Great. We will each choose one food and describe it with 5 simple sentences.
I'll go first. My favorite food is noodles with vegetables. It is quick to cook, it smells great, it tastes salty and a little spicy. I love it because it makes me feel happy and full.
Great. Now my turn. My favorite food is chicken soup. It is warm and soft. It tastes simple and comforting. I eat it when I feel tired. I love it because it reminds me of my family.
Perfect. Learners can copy this pattern.
Now, let's teach conversation phrases to keep talking.
Yes, because after what's your favorite food, you need more questions.
How do you cook it?
Where do you usually eat it?
Do you eat it often?
What do you like about it?
What is your favorite drink with it?
Great. Now you can have a longer conversation.
Let's do another role play. 2 people meeting and talking about favorite food.
Great. I will be a new friend. Hi, Paul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emily.
Can I ask you something fun?
Sure.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice with chicken and vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Why do you love it?
Because it's filling and it gives me energy.
Do you cook it at home?
Yes, I do. I cook it on weekends.
Nice. What spices do you use?
Spices are things like pepper, cumin, and herbs. I use simple spices, not too strong.
Herbs are plants for taste, like parsley or cilantro.
Yes. What about you? What's your favorite food?
I love noodles. I like them because they are quick and easy.
Do you like them spicy?
A little spicy, but not too spicy.
Great. We should eat together one day.
Yes, that would be fun. Great. That is a natural conversation.
Now, we should also teach how to talk about food you do not like.
Yes, but politely.
You can say, it's not my favorite,
Or, I don't really like it.
or I prefer something else.
Prefer means like one thing more.
Example, I don't really like very sweet food. I prefer salty snacks.
Great. Now, let's teach how to talk about trying new food.
Very useful for travel. You can say, I want to try something new.
What do you recommend?
What is this made of?
Is it spicy?
Is it vegetarian?
Great. Also, can I taste it?
Taste means try a small amount.
Perfect. Paul, do you like trying new food?
Yes, but I like to ask questions first.
Like ingredients.
Yes, ingredients means what the food is made from.
Good. Some people have allergies or they just don't like certain things.
Exactly. Now, let's make one more useful part, talking about food memories.
Yes, this makes your speaking more personal and interesting.
Example, I love this food because my mother used to make it.
Or, I ate this food on a special holiday.
Holiday means a special day, like Eid, New Year, or a family celebration.
Great. Another sentence, this food reminds me of my childhood.
Perfect. Emily, do you have a food memory like that?
Yes. When I was a child, my family made rice and stew on Fridays.
Stew is food cooked slowly with sauce.
Yes, I still love it because it feels like family time.
That is a great reason.
Now, listeners, here is a simple speaking exercise you can do today.
Choose your favorite food.
Say the name.
Describe the taste with 2 words.
Describe the texture with 1 word.
Give one reason with because.
And give one memory, if you can.
Example, my favorite food is pizza. It is salty and cheesy. It is crispy. I love it because it is tasty and easy. It reminds me of eating with friends.
Great example.
Paul, I think this topic helps learners in many situations, making friends, ordering food, travel, and daily conversation.
Yes, food is a universal topic. Universal means everyone understands it.
Great word.
Before we finish, let's do a quick review of key words.
Favorite, dish, taste, sweet, salty, spicy, sour, bitter.
Crispy, soft, creamy, juicy, fresh.
Comforting, filling, delicious.
Ingredient, allergy, contain, recommend.
Great! These words will help you talk about food better.
Thank you, Paul. This was a fun episode.
Thank you, Emily, and thank you to everyone for listening to English Learning Voice.
Now, your challenge is simple. Talk about your favorite food in 5 sentences today.
Use my favorite food is, and I love it because.
Practice out loud, and your English will improve step by step.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.